Stop manually entering your time into Invoices and watch your accounting workflow transform right before your eyes. Today, we're diving deep into how to seamlessly integrate Clockify with QuickBooks, turning track time into ready-to-send invoices with just a few clicks. First, ensure you have both Clockify and QuickBooks accounts. In Clockify, navigate to the Integrations section, usually found in the sidebar. Click on Integrations. Now, in QuickBooks Online, look for the Apps or Manage Apps section, typically found under the gear icon in the top right corner. Search for Clockify in the QuickBooks App Marketplace. Once found, click on the Clockify integration to view details and initiate the connection. You will now be prompted to authorize the connection between Clockify and QuickBooks. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Clockify to access and transfer data. Head back to Clockify now. You need to map your Clockify clients and projects to your QuickBooks customers and services. This step is crucial for accurate invoice generation. Finally, create your invoices directly within Clockify. The track time data will automatically populate, allowing you to review, adjust if needed, and send directly through QuickBooks. It's that simple. Now go focus on your business, not the paperwork.